Hey, Daniel Parsons here. Really glad that you're here. Short video today about why having a home-based business is very, very beneficial to you. The income tax and the IRS has over 200 deductions, and these are laws that are established by the U.S. Congress that encourage entrepreneurial activity in our country. And so I've had my own home-based business since 2005. And I met the gentleman that I have on the interview today, Chuck, in Wisconsin, through a home-based business opportunity. And I learned from him, and he opened a company, and I joined that company and actually started on my little farm. And I'll let him go into all the details about how the income plan and why you would want to choose his company. But I want to share with you some of just the basics about how it works. Now, there's only two fundamental requirements, and you have to go to irs.gov to get all the details. But as long as you're operating the home-based business from your primary residence and you attempt to make a profit, those are the two major qualifications. Now, I want to show you, Mike earns $50,000 in a job with the government. If he starts a home-based business that generates a tax loss of $10,000, he only pays tax on $40,000. Renegade tip, you can never lose a properly documented business deduction, okay? And get luck is labor under correct knowledge. Can you succeed in a home-based business? Research has constantly shown that it rarely is the business that determines success or failure. It is usually the business owner. Why does one person succeed and another fail at the same business? Two words, knowledge in action. So, Chuck, I joined the Whole Wellness Club when you opened that business. And will you share with my viewers why they would want to have the home-based business with Whole Wellness Club? And I want to just share quickly that there's no cost to join this company. You don't have to pay some $500 entry fee. You don't have to pay monthly website fees. But Chuck, you've got the nuts and bolts of it. So.
Yeah, absolutely, Daniel. I'm glad you brought that up because really there's no other company I could say this about that I can think of right now. It's actually possible to qualify for every compensation and all income at Whole Wellness Club without ever purchasing a product. Now, nobody does that, and there's good reason for that. We have products that are the absolute best of their type, on purpose, no compromise, foundational products that everyone needs. And we do that not only just to bring wellness into people's health, into people's lives. I often say the very first opportunity at Whole Wellness Club is to bring wellness into your life and the lives of others. But we do that so that it secures your income and creates the conditions for a natural sale. When people get results on a product, it's much easier for them to share with others and get others to try it. Now, we've done so many things to optimize the likelihood that someone could succeed at WholeWellnessClub.com. This was no accident. For a good 25 years or so, I was a network marketing distributor for many companies. I built organizations of over 10,000 people, just at least 4 or 5 times, and many small organizations. But the only way I could assure people to succeed is for me to build a company that I knew was what was needed for the average distributor. 95% of the people in your organization are not going to be salespeople. They're not inclined to persuade others to try a product or get involved in a business. And so it's critical that you have all 8 cylinders running at the same time. And product as a foundation that people get results on that have no compromise, that's part of it. But the second part is we've got a preferred customer opportunity. You know, you may run into somebody who doesn't believe in multi-level marketing. They may say, it doesn't work. That's fine. We pay out 30% on preferred customers. And for free, you get a virtual health food store online that happens to have the best products of their type on the shelf. And you get that for free. You don't even have to keep an inventory. And you can earn a whopping 30%. And your customers can refer other customers who can refer other customers who can refer other customers. They'll get 20%. Because they're customers, though, we don't send them a check, but we keep a credit for them and they can apply it towards future purchases. For example, a customer may be really impressed with one of our $40 products. It's our biggest seller, and it's dollar for dollar commissionable. You pay $40 for the product and we pay commissions on $40. And that customer would earn 20%, $8. And next month, because they've referred somebody, they can apply that $8 towards their $40 purchase. And and the distributor that's above them that referred all of them, they're going to earn the remaining 10%. Again, we pay out a whopping 30%. Now, actually, the company pays out 60% on all commissions, and that's where the multi-level side comes in. There's a way to build a business here without ever having to come out of pocket of necessity. So if you're in need of money and you don't have money, this is the place to be. We've got products that'll give you results. I encourage you to try them out. That product for $40, Velocity, 9 out of 10 people get results within just 24 hours of use, results that they could describe, a testimony. Now, the multi-level side is pretty simple. In fact, we call it Simplicity Pay. You don't even need a calculator. We pay 10% on each of 6 levels. And the first 4 levels, you really don't have to do anything to qualify for them. You have to have $40 of volume, and then to pick up the 3rd and 4th level, you have to have $100 of volume. And that can come from your customers instead of out of your pocket. Now, all of this is explained in detail, including what you have to do to earn money on the 5th and 6th level. That's the best part. And I encourage you to go to wholewellnessclub.com and click on Marketing Plan. There's a 12-minute video there where you can see all the details and nuances of the pay plan. So with marketing systems that enable you to make a sale and acquire customers, in fact, build your network marketing business from some of your customers, because your customers can refer customers. And some of them realize these products really work, and people get results, and they can build a business with customers, and they'll find among their customers people that want to do what they're doing. So we're very excited about it. I hope you come to one of my conference calls where I'll explain everything in detail. Thanks for the opportunity, Daniel.
Yeah, thank you. And I have a Monday team training webinar that's at 6 o'clock Pacific time in the evening. And then Chuck mentioned the Tuesday and Thursday live conference calls where all you do is invite people to the call and he'll do the explaining. And this opportunity overview right here on the marketing plan page. So we're looking forward to working with you, and we're established global and since 2007. And there's no better simple opportunity where your customers get earning commissions into their account to apply towards their purchase. I mean, these are all unique features of the Whole Wellness Club. So we want to thank you for your attention, and we're looking forward to working with you in the future. Bye for now.